The number of travelers on domestic and international flights reached 8.96 million during a 7-day period, 9.8% more than last year. Some 98.8 million passenger trips were made by train during a 10-day period before and during a holiday, up 8.6% year-on-year. Self-driving travel was becoming popular, with 11.5% more vehicles running on road compared with the same period last year. Across the country, 125 major tourist sites received 3.38 million visitors in the first 6 days of the holiday. China's box office reached nearly $300 million during the holiday, an increase of about 60% from the same period last year.